Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your English literature class. Today, we shall start a new poem in Wordsworth English Reader Book. So, you can take out your Wordsworth English Reader Book and turn to page number 53. Poem number 3, we shall start Someone Came Knocking. Now, children, before we start this, let me ask you a few questions. Are you scared of something? क्या आपको किसी चीज़ से डर लगता है? Are you scared of the darkness or the night? Or what happens if someone knocks at your door in the night? Suddenly एक दरवाज़े में कोई खटखटाए आपके और रात का वक्त हो, would you be scared? Oh, that's really scary. Now, in this poem, children, Someone Came Knocking, this poem is about the night and the poet is expressing such feelings. Which feeling? Like the poet is expressing his feelings and emotions when he hears strange sounds. अजीब अजीब अलग अलग आवाज़ें रात को आती हैं जो पोएट को डरा देती हैं. Do you feel scared, children, when you're alone in the night in the house? When we hear different sounds of birds, insects, we get scared. हमें अलग अलग आवाज़ें आती हैं, हम डर जाते हैं और रात को ऐसी आवाज़ें बहुत क्लियर आती हैं. They are sometimes scary. Does your mind play games with you? The poet is asking, does your mind play games with you in the night at such times? Do you feel any funny sensation and hear strange sounds? Yes, sometimes it does happen कि हम रात में अजीब अजीब आवाज़ें सुनकर, इंसेक्ट की आवाज़ सुन के भी जैसे डर जाते हैं. This poem describes one such incident. Now, children, I will read the poem for you, or rather recite it for you. Try to learn. Try to recite with me. I'll do it twice so that the pronunciation and words are clear to you. Let's read the first 8 lines followed by the next 8. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. Someone came knocking, I'm sure. I listened, I opened, I looked to left and right, but not there was a stirring in the still dark night. We come to the next 8 lines. Only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owls call. Only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. This poem is composed by Walter de la Mare. Let's go through the poem once more. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. Someone came knocking, I'm sure. I listened, I opened, I looked to left and right, but not there was a stirring in the still dark night. Only the busy beetle tapping in the wall. Only from the forest the screech owls call. Only the cricket whistling while the dewdrops fall. So I know not who came knocking at all. Now let us know something about the poet Walter de la Mare. Walter de la Mare was an English poet. He was a London-based poet who was born in 1873 and died in 1986, and he wrote many short stories, novels. He has also written many stories for children, many stories and also poems for children. Now, we'll come to the new words and understand the meaning of these 4 words and a few more from the poem. We. The first word is we. The first word is we, which means little or very tiny, chota. The second word is not. Not means nothing. In this poem, we used not in, but not there was a stirring. That means there was no stirring. But poet have this way of writing. Stirring. Stirring means movement. Just like when we stir sugar in our milk or we make lemonade, we stir salt and sugar. हम स्पून से चम्मच हिलाते हैं. That is called stirring. Still. Still means quiet, shant. There are a few more words I would like to explain to you, children. Screech. Screech is an unpleasant, a loud, unpleasant sound made by the owl. Here it is screech, owl's call. So screech is the unpleasant, बड़ा अजीब सा annoying सी आवाज़ made by the owl. Cricket, children, over here is not the game cricket which you play. Here cricket is an insect, a small jumping insect that makes a loud sound, especially in rainy season or winters. अजीब सी आवाज़ निकालने वाले कीड़े निकलते हैं क्रिकेट बारिशों में. These are the insects, not the game cricket. Dewdrops, a very small drop of water that falls on the ground or leaves. You often see these drops on leaves early in the morning. They are dewdrops. Now learn these three, write these 3 words along with the 4 words given as new words in your notebook, children. That is your homework for today. That's all for today, children. Please read the poem, understand the poem, and try to recite it in a flow, in a poetic way. That's all for today. Goodbye.